buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you what you can do if your Samsung Galaxy A14 5G doesn't charge anymore. I'm going to plug in my charger and as you can see, nothing really happens. So if you have the same problem, I have 4 tips that hopefully will help you with your problem so that you can use your phone again. So first of all, you want to go ahead and try if the cable works with another device. So get another device and then try the same cable, plug that into the wall, and when the device charges, then there might be something wrong with your phone. If it doesn't charge, then you maybe want to try out another wall plug for your charger, if that changes something. If that still doesn't work, then I hate to break it to you, but your cable is probably broken. The second thing we want to try out is to restart our phone, and for that we want to press the volume down and the power on and off button at the same time for a couple of seconds, and then we'll get that menu here and we want to press on restart. So you want to restart your phone and see if that fixes the problem. The third thing we want to do is we want to look for a software update. So for that you want to go to your settings and then go all the way down to software update and going to download and install, checking for updates. Your software is up to date. All right, so I don't have any software update available. If you do have a software update available, go ahead and install it. Maybe there's like a bug in your phone that stops your phone from charging. So install that software update and then try again. Hopefully that works. In most cases it does. So hopefully that works for you too. The fourth option we have is a forced reboot. So we want to force our phone to restart, and that is by pressing the volume down and the power on and off button at the same time for a couple of seconds. When your menu appears, you want to keep pressing until it just shuts down. So here we have our menu, and then we keep pressing until this happens and our phone shuts down. Now it will restart and hopefully that fixes like whatever's wrong in the phone, that it won't charge. So now our phone restarted, we're back in the phone, and when I plug in my charger now, then it charges again, luckily. When your phone doesn't charge, then you probably have a hardware problem and you should go get that fixed, because otherwise your phone will run out of battery at some point and you can't use your phone anymore. So go get that fixed. But hopefully these 4 tips help you and your phone charges again. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.